When I first read about La lingua araba per tutti, Arabic language for all, and Professor Mohammad Ghadi in a Facebook post, I had almost given up on learning Arabic. Studying classical Arabic at the university, I had been struggling for years trying to learn, but I was way behind and I just could not seem to manage to catch up on my own. Then I came across this article about the illusion of learning the Arabic language due to randomness in teaching methods and learning. And it just made sense. I had been wasting so much time and money on these random videos, courses, and books. I had no clue what I was doing, so I decided to give private lessons a try. We started having Skype lessons, and I loved it from the very start. Suddenly, Arabic was fun, and I am not exaggerating when I say that just within a couple of months, I had made more progress with Mr. Ghadi than I ever had in years of studying on my own. His method is well studied, logical, and detailed, and he gives the right amount of information at the right time. He is precise, prepared, enthusiastic, understanding, very professional, and funny, which is a great bonus. After 7 months of hard work and excellent guidance from Mr. Ghadi, I passed the second-year exam with the highest vote, 30L, and it was like a dream come true. And I say hard work because of course there is. You need to do your part. Arabic is not easy. You need a plan and you need guidance, professional guidance. And for that, I highly recommend Professor Ghadi. Visit our website, link in description under the video, linguaarabe.com. Teaching Arabic as a foreign language since 2006.